Alright, audio lovers, let's hear something special. And this is the noise level in my room. That's track number 5.
Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame mucho. Tengo miedo perderte otra vez. Bésame. Quiero tenerte cerca, mirarme, tus ojos verte junto a mí. Piensa que tal vez mañana yo ya estaré lejos, muy lejos de ti. Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame mucho, que tengo miedo perderte después.
Don't worry about the first verse that we need to have like quality. you very much. That's the end of our demo for the dr100w concept project. This is a listening pleasure, not a critical listening level. That's it, that's it. What about transformer? It's been a long time, you know. Well, that's gonna be next time. Next time, guys, next time. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. You're free to comment, by the way. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.